then you put it back.
Okay.
After that, your ginger, you just cut about 4 pieces, half and half
This
again.
is
This one we like to cook with the ginger,
Yeah.
half and half. Yeah. If it's too hard, you can use by this part of a knife because it's sharper. And half again. Nice. Make your photo, okay?
Okay. I put it back.
Yeah, back with the lemongrass. And this leaf, you take out the stem, the cafe line. This one, the big leaf.
The big leaf. Oh, it's
The leaf, you take out the stem, you fold the leaf in half, the stem in the middle, you pull it down.
this
Yeah, like that.
like that. Oh.
Yeah, this is the way for bring out the flavor.
Oh.
The stem you throw away. Yeah, you just keep only the leaves. For the stem you can throw it here. This is the bean. Yes, and the leaves you put with lemongrass and the ginger. This one 3 of them.
Lemongrass.
The leaves you can move together.
Okay.
Together with lemongrass and
Ginger.
ginger. Yeah.
Okay.
And the next one, chili.
Yeah. How much?
Green hotter than red, I think, my opinion. If you like spicy, put 3. Medium 2. For little, only 1.
Only one.
Only 1.
Only one. I'm not sure.
Not sure. Yeah, you cut the head off.
This is too big.
Yeah, cut the stem from the
Okay.
top. Yeah.
This? Cut it off.
Yeah, cut it off. After that, you just crush a little bit, like the garlic. But if you
Okay.
like hotter, you can chop smaller. Yeah, crush it first for bring out the flavor. And after that, you can chop if you like hot. If you don't like so much hot, just keep it like that.
Yeah.
And for your chili, you just put with the lemongrass and the ginger together. And the next one, onion. Your onion.
Yeah.
Just cut the bottom first. Cut the bottom off.
This.
That's part. Just a little bit. You can throw away. For your onion, just slice big slices, about 2 or 3 slices. Yeah.
Oh, 2, 3?
Yeah. Big slices.
Very
Okay, perfect. And then you can put in the same with chili and the lemongrass.
Okay.
Easy, easy.
Easy.
Next one, your tomato.
Yeah.
Tomato. You just slice it like your onion or
Okay. 2 or 3.
2 or 3. What is that? Yeah, if it
That's
dough,
super-
you can like open part facing up.
Okay.
And then you can put with the prawns on the top of the prawns.
On the prawns, what
On the
is
prawns,
on the
this
prawns?
one. Yeah, just
Oh,
on the top. Yeah,
this?
Yeah, just together on
Prawns?
the prawns.
Shrimp?
Yeah. The shrimps, yeah.
The same.
The shrimp, the prawns, yeah. The shrimp is small, the prawn is big. Yeah, like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and this is the mushroom.
Mushroom, yeah.
Just rip the flour. Not from, yeah, like that. Just
this?
like from the flour all the way down. Like, yeah, this one. If you have the small one, just rip all the way through the stem.
Okay.
Yeah,
Into?
enough. Into? Yeah, perfect.
And I put it.
Put it back.
Okay.
I already did.
Can I try it?
Yes. It's not tasty, yeah, but we have to cook it.
I like the
You like
texture.
it to raw, the texture. You want to try this?
No?
No.
You first?
I already did.
If you try more, okay, you very brave. Brave girl. Make you slim, yeah, sexy.
Yeah.
Spicy, sexy.
I have to.
And the next one, your coriander and spring
Yes.
onion. Yeah, you
Yes.
chop them together.
Okay, this I took only the.
Normally use it all, yeah, with
Oh.
the stem too, yeah.
Okay.
The stem is soft, we use it all. And with the spring onion,
The spring onion.
chop together, 1 or 2 centimeters long.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now you can put on the prawns into the bowl with the prawns.
Friends, I don't
Prawns,
know.
yeah, this one gonna be like the last one.
Okay.
And this is chili jam. What's the chili jam?
Chili jam.
Chili jam, chili jam. You can taste it. Finger a bit
yeah.
touch. It's sweet, sour, and spicy after 3 seconds. Yes.
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
That's spicy fine.
Yeah, fine. If you like it, you can put half
No?
or 1. No, not
Oh,
much,
yeah.
usually a little. Yeah, put on the prawns again.
I will put
On the prawns, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's.
Yeah, it's kick after 3
It's
or
kicking
4
up
seconds.
after.
Yeah. So now you bring your plates and then you move to the stove over
Okay.
there. Easy for the monk. Monk only practice like bracing.
Smaller.
already. Smell chili. You smell the leaves and the ginger.
This?
Later.
Later.
This one at the end.
Okay.
Now you just stir a little bit. Now you can stir. Stir a little bit, and then you stop. Stir and then you stop.
Oh.
Just like stir for separate onion.
Yeah.
Now you see the color of the leaves.
Yes.
Very nice already.
Beautiful.
Okay. Nice. Okay. And then you put mushrooms in.
Okay.
Mix it up and let it boil again. After that, sugar. Sorry, not chicken. Chili. That's it.
Chili, this?
Coughing. Not yet. I
Not
mean,
yet?
like when you're coughing because of the chili.
Oh yeah. Oh, you think?
Yeah, I think yes. I think it's chili.
And
Just one
sometimes,
chili. Yeah.
sometimes it's just like eggs, nose, and like.
It's like Thai food,
Yeah,
like
maybe
garlic
just
and
chili.
chili. Yeah, that's and now you put sugar. You
Oh,
open the lid. Sugar,
yeah.
just only one.
Can
of
I
your
put the spoon
on the
lid?
side?
Okay, on the side.
Because this one is the plastic is burnt.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Sugar just only half a spoon.
Half a spoon. You like to put sugar in things.
Everything.
That's why I like Thai
Also
food.
dessert. Yeah, dessert also a lot sugar.
More? No?
And later we will put more sugar later in dessert. Yeah.
Oh.
Now you put fish
Yeah.
sauce. Fish sauce. One big spoon.
One big spoon.
Mhm.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yes, one big spoon.
Big one. Big,
So you just like put in fish and
Fish
and sugar, everything.
everything. One spoon, right?
Yes.
And then you put everything in a bowl. In
Okay.
the prawns, spoon. Yeah. Because it's burn.
Yes. This is yummy. What is the name of this cake?
Hot and sour Korea prawn soup. Yeah, that's hot and sour Korea and hot and sour cake. Now you stir. Keep turning the prawns. Yeah, you see the prawns is like orange color, pink color.
Yes.
Then it's done. Finished. Now turn off the gas. Yeah, the prawns are not so long.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And they'll keep
Yeah, it's
cooking.
dry. Cooking in the heat.
in the-
And now you squeeze your lime in.
Squeeze.
Squeeze the lime, the lemon, the seeds.
Oh,
one.
in?
Yeah. Just squeeze. Yeah, just a juice and no seeds.
Yeah, no seeds. No seeds. Yeah.
Very, very good smell.
Smells really good. Now just mix it.
Yeah.
Mix it up. After that, your spoon over there. Taste it.
This?
Yeah. You just put in the water and then you rinse it first because you used for fish sauce before.
Okay.
Now taste it. My favorite. Gonna taste yours too. Spicy, sweet, sour.
It is spicy.
sour. Yeah.
It's just spicy for me.
It's okay. Yeah. Sorry, I double check.
Yeah, go.
I'm not enough. I have small spoon. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
Mày?
Chim do. Let me try.
Yeah.
Let me try.
Yeah. The spoon.
Can you hold this for me,
Yes.
please?
Yeah. Tell me if you want to.
Professor.
Tom yum cung.
Tom yum cung. Let me see.
Nice.
จืดเกลือนิดนึง แต่ว่า
Good girl. Okay.
จางเกลือ
Yeah. Something
Thank
more,
you.
more salty. Yeah. you
More
can want-
salty?
Yeah. You just want more salty.
More salty?
No, I mean, is it good for you? And then
If
Yeah,
the
but
taste okay.
for me
yeah,
it's
you
good.
can make it
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
And now you can put everything into the bowl.
Okay.
No,
We can have two small bowls to share because I'm not going to eat everything.
Later, yeah, because I'm gonna give the bowl later.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we just let in the one bowl
Okay.
for make it warm. Now we will make one more dish, spring roll.
Okay.
Put your spoon, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.